yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
You already know who we are. My name is Dr. Ross and this is Black King Sebastian. And before we get into these rap snacks right here, we just want to talk about that we are in New Orleans right now. Live by, die by.
That's right.
Let's talk about these rap snacks. So they got Romeo Miller on the cover. Romeo Miller is a rapper. That's why I wanted to mention that Black King Sebastian and I are rappers. What are your thoughts about the chips, Black King?
We see that you have the barbecue and honey, but Dr. Ross and I, we're both musicians as well as hair models. So hook us up.
And what we want to say to your father, Romeo, Master Black King Sebastian?
We got some of the Zatarans, the rice.
Exactly. The lotion, the shampoo, all of the rose and gold products. And don't worry, Mr. P, we saw your rice snuck into the aisles on aisle 13. So we saw it.
That's right.
Let's close it off, Black King Sebastian.
With Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll see you guys on the next installment.
Voodoo Blackout.
That's right, like that. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and gold.